Okay, you guys, I am out of breath. I was able to shovel in just this little part, and I'm just gonna give you a little tour. Oh boy, look at this. Where are the stairs? I can't even find the stairs. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at, yes, I'm in my pajamas with my construction boots. Look at my legs. It's already knee deep. Wow. I'm just gonna go to the front and back. And it's windy like crazy. Oh my gosh. It actually feels like little points on your face. Okay, so this right there, what you see, it's our main road. And from there is that you enter. And you can't see it. This is insane. I'm going back in. That's it for me. Oh my God, this is way more than 2 feet. Way more than 2 feet. That's it. I'm going in, you guys.